Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming device requirements and account access. Make sure Android 8, 0 or newer and about 200 MB free storage are available. Next, sign in or create your Nordvpn account so you have credentials ready. Open Google Play, search Nordvpn, tap Install, then open the app. When prompted, allow necessary permissions, network change and VPN permission, because without them the app cannot create the VPN tunnel. Once done, you should be on the app welcome screen ready to continue. Now configure core settings and initiate your first connection. First, open Settings and enable Auto Connect and CyberSec. This blocks ads and keeps you protected on public Wi-Fi. Then decide. Use Quick Connect for fastest server, or pick a country or specialty server like P2P or Double VPN if you need those features. Tap Connect and accept the Android VPN connection request. This authorizes the tunnel. Make sure you see the VPN key or shield icon in the status bar, so you know traffic. Finish by tuning advanced options to match your needs. Open Settings to enable Kill Switch for system-wide protection, set split tunneling for selective apps, and choose a protocol, Nord links for speed or IKEv2 for stability. Once configured, verify your IP and DNS via a quick check to confirm encryption. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting step. Restart the app and device, toggle airplane mode briefly, then reconnect. If problems persist, clear app data or reinstall the app to refresh configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.